Put a new pipe on the wood stove today. The old pipe rusted out down here, so I've got new pipe. This is not insulated pipe. This is below the floor. You don't need to be insulated. All this pipe up here though, it goes all the way to the roof. That's all insulated. 4-foot pieces, double wall. It's been in here for quite a while. I don't really see any creosote. Looks good. So the first one we're going to put up is this one here. Let's see, this one goes up. I'll go up here like that. And the top piece of that one is a slip joint. It slips inside that longer pipe. You get like a 3-foot pipe there, an adapter that goes in the stove. And so I'll put that on top of the stove and then slide that top pipe up until it comes into this one. 3 screws up here. Once I get it up there like that, 3 screws. And then I can slide that pipe into that pipe as far as I need to go and put all that on top of the stove and slide it up into this one, into this smaller portion. And then we can get back to burning wood in here. Got my little heater going. Started out at 52 degrees. That little one's brought it up 6 degrees in here. I got the new pipe all on. 3 pieces. There's that one up there. 3 screws in it up there. Goes down, there's 3 screws here. This is the slip joint here. This piece slides into this piece. So you got the bottom piece, I've got an adapter there. Screw to this pipe. It's just sitting over the stove. Top of the stove comes up to here. Sits on there, and this pipe is fixed length and size. This pipe between this screw and this one here is the one that slides into this one here. So the top piece is fixed length, and so I just slid this one up until it met this one and screwed it off here and here. Now we can go ahead and start up the fire. Oh no, it's on fire. Burning the paint off it, I guess. Probably have to open the doors for a little bit. You could probably turn this thing off. Turn that off. It's not too bad right now for smoke. It's still smoking some. You can see the smoke there. It'll smoke for a while, burn the paint off. I'm gonna go open the door, I guess.